Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. Girl, I don't know why I woke up like yesterday or 2 days ago and look, my face, I don't know if it's the weather, but I think it's eczema. These are pimples. These I already had and it hasn't healed. I don't know why. I hope it's not a scar. But anyways, today I received acne patches. So this brand came through. It just happened to be that they sent me acne patches when my face is literally busted. This is weird. I don't know if it's eczema. I don't think this is acne. It looks so weird, like 3 dots. It looked different before, but anyway, so this is from the brand, let me see, from the brand Litbear US. So look at these acne patches. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. The blue. So it says it comes with 20 and they're extra large size. I'm assuming there's different size. I don't know. I didn't really pay attention to their website and anything. So, but their main ingredients are hydrocolloid, tea tree oil, and calendula oil right here. So if you're allergic to those ingredients, don't use acne patches, because remember when I used these Peace Out acne patches, my pimple got worse. This one, it got red and bigger and it didn't heal, so I completely stopped using these. So I was kind of scared to accept this offer, but I was like, you know what, maybe this brand will work for me. Maybe the ingredients it has made me react. So this one has retinol and aloe vera and hydrocolloid. This has hydrocolloid, so if I react the same as this, then I know that the hydrocolloid ingredient is what made my pimple react badly and it didn't work. So if this doesn't react back to me, then it's also the retinol, because aloe vera is not bad to me. I don't think my face irritates to that. So it's either, or the salicylic acid, like one of those ingredients. I don't freaking know which makes my skin react. So my nose is so runny. Okay, so I'm just gonna open and try it on right now. So somebody's outside and it's, oh crap. Oh heck no, it smells like tea tree oil. Is very strong. I don't like that scent. It smells like toe fungus or something like chemical. I don't know, I just don't like it. So oh, it comes like with a lot of freaking sheets. Oh, so it looks like this. Wait, let me just get on of them out. Okay, so they all look the same. Okay. Oh no, look, these are big. What? There's different sizes. Yeah, there's different sizes. Look, these look more for cuts or not acne patches. Wow, who has that many acne patches? I mean acne, like picture. Well, me right now, but not this size. Okay, so there's basically a lot of big ones which I don't use. What? All of them are big. They only sent me 2 little ones. I prefer these ones, to be honest. What? Oh cool, I didn't even notice there's different size here as well. So I'm definitely gonna use these small ones today because my pimples are not super huge. I'm gonna open it. Oh, okay. Okay, look, let me, oh, I think I ripped it. Okay, so can you see? Okay, it's a clear sticky one. Okay, so okay, I'm just gonna apply one here. Oh, I should have done it before and after picture. I guess I'll just screenshot from the video. Anyway, so Now I'm gonna do that for the rest of my face because I'm trying to heal this face up. The weather ruins your skin, well, me right now. So okay, so put it here. Oh, look, it's invisible, you can barely see. Okay, I don't know if I should put it here. Yeah, I don't think that's acne. It's weird. Okay, so I like that they're tiny. Okay, so next I'm gonna put it here. Let's hope this doesn't worsen, because let me tell you, it's been like a month I think, and it still hasn't went away. Okay, I like that these are clear. These piece out acne ones are not clear and are very noticeable. They're like, what's this color? Let me see, let me show you the difference. And these are way bigger. Look, they're like yellow beigey ones. So yeah, I don't really like that they're super huge, but if you have bigger pimples, then obviously these are gonna work for you. But if you don't get super big ones, like right now for me, it's not really that big. Oh, wait a sec. Yeah, okay. So I'm gonna leave this on for, I don't know, it doesn't say how many. Oh, oops, I forgot to clean and dry acne area. Oh well. It says take out acne patches and cover the targeted areas. Press lightly 3 to 5 seconds to fix. So wait, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. I guess I don't know if I did it right. And it says to leave it on overnight for the best effect. So the other brand, I didn't leave it overnight. It said to do it 6 hours. So this one, you do need to leave it overnight. So oops, it's barely daytime. I thought it was gonna be like the other one, like leave it for 6 hours. I'm gonna have it all day. Let's see if my skin doesn't react. Oops, that's what you should read first. But I didn't remove. And I can't really see the rest of the directions because the sticker. But let me see. Oh, it says made in China. Oh, and this store is from an Amazon storefront. It's not like a traditional Instagram indie brand. Well, it's just from Amazon. So they reached out to me via email. So yeah, and this is a gifted collab. They're not paying me to do this. So it says please remove if acne was healed or like became white. Your acne patches. Okay, I'm freaking out. And to not pop, and you know, consult your doctor. I'm not gonna go to the doctor just to ask him if I can use this. But if you have that privilege, then go ahead and do that. But anyway, so I think I'm just gonna end it here for this video. So yeah, my skin overall is not reacting bad to these as of yet. I don't feel anything. They're not really moist, or you don't feel anything. That on the acne patches, it just feels like a sticker. You don't feel anything, so that's good. So I'm gonna come back maybe tomorrow, I don't know, for an update, and I'll just put it here, or I don't know, forget it. I thought my booger came out. But so yeah, this is basically it. Thank you for watching. Bye. Oh yeah, and these patches, I think it kind of worked, because look, the pimple here and here, it kind of lowered. I used it in this pimple, but it didn't really lower it. It looks the same. This is eczema. I didn't use these for this eczema, only for this 1 2 3 pimples, and my skin didn't react to these. So I think I would continue to use these and test it out more, but so far they're pretty nice. So look.